life God freely bestows. All who come may drink from God's love, flowing down from heaven above. In every heart grace finds its way. Those who seek will never stray. River of life, so warm and true, we lift our souls to skies so blue. The river of God brings life anew, a baptism of love and life. Drink from this stream, heaven arise. Feel the love fall from the sky. Healing waters pure and free, wash away all pain in me. The river runs so deep and wide, carrying hope on every tide. No thirsty soul will be denied when they reach for heaven's side. Let waters of life rise up in me. Let me be filled with praise for thee. Drink from this stream, heaven arise. Feel the love fall from the sky. Healing waters pure and free, wash away all pain in me. From the river of life I will rise and put on my garment of praise. For God's love brings beauty for ashes, trading joy for the tears.